Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. This video is about how to make fermented habanero sauce. I'm Wes, let's get started. We're going to wash our habanero chilies in cold water. You don't need to dry them afterwards. And all you need to do is just take off the stems. And then we're going to take our food processor and we're going to chop this very finely. So what we got here is about 1 kilo of chopped habaneros, and we need salt for the fermentation, 20 grams, and I'm going to use sea salt. You can use any salt you like, and then we're just going to give it a good mix so it dissolves really nicely into the chopped habaneros. I'm going to take a jar and fill it up. We just put the lid on without sealing it, so your fermentation gases can escape from the jar. And we're going to place this for 1 month in a dark place in your locker. Now we're a few days ahead, and as you can see it starts fermenting, but the only problem is we got all the fermenting liquid on the bottom and it pushes out the chopped habaneros. So we're going to have to find a little trick to prevent that. I'm going to push the chilies back down to the liquid. And we're going to place some baking paper on top. You can also find a lid from another jar if it fits in. That could be a good option as well. And it's a go for a month of fermentation. So we're 4 weeks ahead. This already smells like Tabasco. And we're going to fill some sterilized pots to 1/3. This looks already very nice. Now we're going to add the vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar because it's not a strong vinegar. We're going to add about the same amount. It's about 200 milliliters in each jar. Let's stir it up a little bit. And now we're going to let this rest for another week, my friends. And finally we're almost done. It's time to filter the habaneros paste. And we really want to squeeze all the juices out of there. You can also preserve the paste, freeze it in, and every time when you got a marinade to do and you want it a little bit hot, just put some of this paste into your marinade. And here we got our tasty and spicy habanero hot sauce obtained with lactic fermentation. So that's all for now, folks. Bon appetit and see you back soon.